Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this super dark, vampy, spooky lady kind of look for you guys. It is actually way simpler than it probably looks, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with NYX Ultraviolet, is this deep purple with a e.l.f. contouring eye brush, and we're gonna work this into the crease. I'm just putting it right on the bone and kind of packing it on there to start mapping out where we want everything. I'm gonna create a wing with it that just touches the very edge of my brow. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and start blending this out a bit, just so everything's a bit more even. Because purples like this tend to be kind of chalky, so I want to make sure it blends nice into the primer under the brow, because I don't really have a brow highlight. I'm just going to use the white primer as my highlight. Now I'm going to take this color from NYX, it's called In Deep Trouble, and it is this darker purple. And I'm going to use a Sigma pencil brush to put this into the crease as well. This is going to be underneath this light purple, so it's going to kind of sandwich in between the lid and this lighter purple. And I'm still winging it out like I did with the other purple. I'm just being very careful with how I apply it. I'm just gonna take a Morphe 562 little blender, and this is how we're gonna blend out this edge, because I don't want it to disappear. So this brush is nice and flexible and really good at working with color. So now with a bit of concealer, I am going to just kind of cut the crease a little bit. Not really, I don't know if this is really considered a cut crease, but this is how it's gonna go. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer, if nothing else, to clean up the bit that's on my eyelid, so everything's nice and clean. For shadow on top of this, I'm using a Tokidoki gray shadow. This is called Samba. It's like a shimmery gray. I'm gonna use a really small packing brush to get this on here nice and precise. Going back in with this pencil brush and the dark color In Deep Trouble, I'm going to really define and cut this out. So this is just like a touch-up process. You might not have to do this if you're more precise with a cut crease than I am, but I want this to be plenty dark so you could see the contrast. So I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, and then I will come back to show you guys the rest of this look, because my foundation is basically the same every single time. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll come back and finish this up. Okay, so I am going to put on my lashes and liner, but I'm going to do them in a separate video. I usually do them off camera anyway, but I'm going to be reviewing these magnetic lashes and liner that iMethod sent me. So if you want to see that process, click on over to that video. It will be up before this one, so you guys can see these in action, and then come on back here and watch it, or click out, watch that one first, and then watch this one. I don't care what you do, just stay tuned and keep watching me. Okay, so liner and lashes is on, and I'm not gonna lie, if you watch my review, these lashes are freaking incredible. So I have them on, so let's move on. I'm gonna take this Avon eye pencil. This is in Vivid Gray, and we're gonna put this on the lower lash line, just to kind of give it a little bit of smoke and texture. Finish off the face. We need to contour. I am going to use this contouring brush here from Real Techniques and dip into my normal contour color, and we're just going to pack this into the hollows. I'm also going to take some and just tap it along the forehead line, just because I am wearing a wig, so I want it to be nice and contoured so it looks a little bit natural. Adding like a little bit of bronzer and contour can really change it up. I mean, I also have some baby hair sticking out, so it looks a little more natural than normal. Okay, and now for bronzer, I'm just using my NYX bronzer on a big brush, and this will kind of blend everything. Okay, last steps here. We're gonna highlight. I'm using Ice Cold from Jeffree Star. Lips, I am using this Dior liquid lip in the color, it's so tiny, oh my god, it's the Dior Addict Lacquer Plump in Midnighter. So this is a very dark purple. I thought it would go nice with my look. This is the finished look. It's super spooky and super dark, vampy lady, which is what I really wanted to go for today. I am obsessed. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my lash review, which I will link down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next video.